Hello and welcome back. We're here at Clumber Park in Nottinghamshire, staying at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We arrived on Friday. We set off from home about 4:30 and we got here just after 6. Now our sat-nav did send us the wrong way, unfortunately, so we did have a little bit of a detour as it was trying to send us through a National Trust road, but by following the car sat-nav we got here in the end, and it is a really nice site. Also, when we pulled up, we noticed it was very busy, and it's been busy all weekend. There's only ever been a couple of pitches empty that we've noticed. We're staying here on a fully serviced pitch. It's hard standing and it's a really good size, a typical Caravan and Motorhome Club pitch. It's also very level, which is handy. On Friday night after we pitched up, there was a fish and chip van, so we treated ourselves to some fish and chips, which was a nice treat. And the fish and chip van is here every Friday until 7:30. And on a Saturday we noticed that they had a wood-fired pizza van as well. So once we pitched up, we chilled out for the evening, and then on Saturday morning we woke up, had a little bit of a walk round the site. It is a very big site. There are 2 toilet blocks that look very new and very nice inside. One's called Lime Trees and the second one was called Hardwick. You do need a code to get in, and when you pitch up you go into the reception area and they give you a little key card for the barrier, and on the back of the key card is a code to get into the toilet block. The toilet blocks were really clean, which was good. Plenty of showers as well, which was really good. There's a lovely play park as well on the site, and they've also got a football pitch as well for children to play on. After breakfast, we then decided to have a walk into the National Trust property of Clumber Park, and we walked along Lime Tree Avenue. It is a bit of a good walk. The loop that we did was just over 10 kilometres. We walked along there and then we got into the entrance gate to Clumber Park National Trust. The lady there asked us were we local, and we said that we come from the campsite, and she said it's actually free access. So if you're not a member of the National Trust and you're staying at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site, you do get free access. Otherwise you have to pay £6 per adult, and I think it was £3 per child. We are National Trust members, and so the lady asked if she didn't mind scanning our cards, which of course I said no problem at all. And she said that she gets £4, well, not her personally, but National Trust get £4 per QR code that they scan towards the upkeep of Clumber Park. There are some lovely pleasure grounds around the lake, and there's a really nice chapel as well for you to wander inside of. There is a cafe as well, which was very popular, and an ice cream shop selling Bluebell's dairy ice cream, which of course we had to treat ourselves to. We then wandered into the walled garden, which was lovely, and there was a pop-up floristry there as well, so you could have a go at making your own flower arrangement or buying one, as it is Mother's Day weekend. We then carried on walking along the lake, and we walked up then towards Hardwick Village. And in Hardwick Village, we'd noticed in the information cabin on the campsite that there was a pub, the Park Inn there. Now the signal round here isn't very good, but we managed to just get a little bit of signal and find out where it was. So it's like once you get into Hardwick Village, you'll see there's like a pop-up cafe. You walk round the back of there and there's some National Trust like barns and buildings, and there's just a little sign saying the Park Inn, and it's run as a little social club, very reasonably priced drinks, and so we sat out in the sun and enjoyed a lovely few drinks there. We then wandered up the road, then back to the campsite. And as I said before, it was about just over 10 kilometres in length, that loop that we did. And so it was a really nice sunny Saturday afternoon spent exploring the local area. We then came back to the Caravan and chilled for the evening. And of course, Nottingham Forest were playing, so the husband wanted to watch that and was very happy when they won and they're on the way to Wembley. You really can't beat a little weekend break in your caravan. We really enjoyed our 2-night break here at Clumber Park, and we've all said it's definitely a site that we would return to again. The wardens were really helpful and friendly, and there was plenty of them. I think I counted about 5 warden pictures here, and they're always on top of it. As I said before, the toilets and the facilities were really clean as well. Now the Wi-Fi around here hasn't been great. There is free Caravan and Motorhome Club Wi-Fi, and we are right near the post here on this pitch. However, we are not getting very good Wi-Fi signal at all. It's very intermittent and it keeps dropping. Wi-Fi is something that we really want to look into, so if you have any recommendations at all, please do let me know in the comments below. TV signal and also phone signal hasn't been great around here, as there is lots of trees around about which are obviously blocking the signal, but you can get a cable from reception to plug into your post on your pitch and then to boost that TV signal. But all in all, we've had a lovely weekend here at Clumber Park, and we definitely return again. If you know of any other campsites in the area that you would recommend, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do consider liking and subscribing. Your support is very much appreciated. If you've already subscribed to the channel, many thanks for coming back and watching again. Many thanks for watching, and take care.